Black fatigue is when I can hear you 10 hours away in Walmart with your 5 kids. Black fatigue is when you have no home training and you have no idea how to act in public. And a lot of it is culture. I've been in the hood, I've been in schools in the projects where I was the only white girl there, and I can 100% guarantee you that it's culture. When majority of y'all know someone who has been unalived by another black person, way more than any instance of a black person being unjustifiably unalived by the police, that's black fatigue. As well as donating to Carmelo Anthony and Rodney Hinton Jr. When you aren't able to hold your own community accountable, that's a problem. We're not going to sit here and act like this is new now, because now white people are speaking out.
Yeah, I'm gonna address you goddamn trolls and you racist bigots. First of all, let's keep it 100. Who the fuck? Now you're making me get deeper on this. Now I have to assassinate everything you sorry motherfuckers keep trying to say. Oh, take accountability. Oh, do this. But you came here and raped everybody on every landmass you've been on. Name one place that white people, greedy, backstabbing, disloyal, dishonest, deceiving white people, name one place y'all went on the planet and left it in peace. Huh?
These people have been coming on the internet lately saying that they are black fatigued. They are black fatigued. They are tired of black people complaining about everything, most especially about everything that happened in the past. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me not waste your time. Let me show you how badly black people are white fatigued. So if they think they are black fatigued, black people are white fatigued.
Hell yeah, I hate seeing the condition my people in. But I do understand the root psychological causes that started that. So all you knows up here trying to justify them trying to make a victim of themselves. We're tired of white. No, the world tired of white people. The world been stuck all by y'all. You think that's conscious? I am conscious enough, and I'm tired of your bigotry. I'm tired. I'm fatigued with white folks. Y'all brought it up trying to bring black shit because you see somebody arguing in the store or black people doing what they doing. You must came to this country and annexed this land, changed up the history, did all the shit, made it look bad for black people everywhere. You're still telling other races outside this country, whether they black, Mexican, whatever, that black people in America ain't shit. They don't do nothing. But we did all the things in this country. But they gave the slave masters reparations. They gave the Japanese reparations. Oh, I guess none of them wasn't complaining about nothing, huh? You gave everybody something. And I'm talking to you whites. I ain't talking to yours as you understand. Every time we talk about something, y'all want to always say, oh, y'all complaining. Y'all victim. What about the shit y'all did here? And the shit you're doing in Africa and different countries you done. Took up all the Tasmanians. Went around the whole world and hit everybody. You think the world is satisfied how white is running the world? Coming from America? You think they're not fatigued of y'all distorted racist views about everything you do? And people taking their resources? Who the fuck are you? You white folks who's sitting here trying to make you seem like you're moral. It's easy to say that from the position you in when your racist ancestors did all this shit and created the ghettos and created all this going on. Created laws to hinder us. Created things to trap us. This ain't no complaint. This is facts. And you still do it. So who are you? None of you white people in no moral position to tell black people what to take accountability for. Your accountability is get rid of this fucking racism in this country. Your accountability, stop trying to make stuff harder for black people in this country, let alone the world. That's your power. We don't have the power to f this country up. Fool. Who doing that? I am fatigued of you white folks talking about you're something special, but all you doing is demonizing the world and destroying it. And I'm not talking about all of y'all. But I'm talking about y'all just standing on that prideful foot that think you something special. And they got a nerve to try to come around and say, I'm having black fatigue. And then you dumb grows behind them supporting it. They're trying to find a victimization or try to unalive you, brothers. That's what they're doing. Because they know that the Most High in nature is coming for y'all. That's why you're not reproducing. Nature is coming for you. Because you destroyed the nature of all people on the planet damn near. Even your own. Oh, you're not white, pure white, you're not this. Y'all created this shit. Black people is frustrated, mentally distorted, burnt out, crazy, deranged. You created these Negroes. And yes, it is our business to understand and recognize what's been happening to us, and we need to fix our situation. And many of us are trying to fix our situation, but we got too many distorted, destroyed people that y'all help create by creating the ghettos and all these things, not having jobs and all these type of things. No Negroes allowed. Oh, you drink the other drinking fountain. Who the f created that? You think my ancestors weren't fatigued with y'all drama? Y'all ain't in no position to talk about anything that's going on. And I'm not discluding the ignorance and the stupidity that our people has gained from y'all positions of systematic you set up. Y'all say, oh, you gotta blah, blah, blah. No, blah, 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 blah to you. You sitting in that position trying to say stuff from a position like you earned it honestly, like you earned it on a positive level, like you earned it in a way, like you got this free. You assassinate everybody. And then want to complain about blacks? Huh? We the ones should be fatigued. I got to get more directive in this. Y'all created the Ku Klux Klan. Y'all created these racedoms. Y'all the one destroyed Black Wall Streets throughout America because you didn't want to see the progress of black people. Do you think we ain't fatigued for that? And every time we try to stand on it and try to come back with something, you got some big white nationalists with their coward ass coming around saying something? Who the f are you? And black people, understand one thing when you finna get set up. They saying that shit like they somebody perfect. Y'all got one of the worst histories in America, in the world. Trying to tell people who tired of. When you went around and distorted the nature of all people on the planet. Melanated people. Mexicans understand that shit. You over here making it difficult for everybody. Coming making these laws. You gotta pay for water. You gotta pay for this. Who created that? I know we didn't. You think we ain't tired of that? And y'all still raising bills and all this type of shit. That ain't our doing. And y'all had a nerve to say that y'all have a black plague. With all the white nationalists around here. School, unaliving kids, pedophilia. That shit is coming from that zone. And you think we ain't tired of you? While you talking about some petty little shit that's been conditioned in our community, that has been purposely put in our community to bring about these type of degeneracy that we now display. Because those was your degeneracy before y'all came and started annexing and stealing and robbing and people's lands. That was y'all degeneracy that y'all see we doing. Y'all the one came to other people's worlds causing conflict. Y'all the one came to Kemet or Egypt causing conflict where they had to send y'all out of Europe. Don't let me get deep. It ain't just America I'm stacked in. You are. Because you don't got nowhere else to really go. And this is the largest area of whites in America, in the world. So y'all trying to protect that narrative. And if my people wasn't so peaceful and so close to doing something right, despite our degeneracy that we display in this world because of the situation that was presented and the position y'all put us in, we still haven't made it our business to unalive every one of you. We show more forgiveness. It proves that we are the children of God. Because you should be lucky that blacks is only displaying it in this way. But if y'all want to keep playing victim, nature has a way of dealing with you, and it's dealing with you. Despite what you're saying. You got one of your own whites in office destroying all type that y'all can't stand. But for us that's unified in this country, it's no disrespect for that, but I know many of y'all understand that. It's no disrespect to whites, anybody else, but racism is the plague. We didn't go around being racist against people, stealing people's stuff, hiding people underground, hiding all the truth. Y'all doing that. And it's a fatigue that we have to keep going through all this shit to find out the truth about stuff that y'all distorted. We should be fatigued of you, and we are. And those are some of the actions from the stuff that your ancestors created in our communities that tore us from our natural selves. And now we these crazy, deranged, animalistic lunatics that y'all are behind your robes and your little political play tricks and shit.